Algorithmic trading. Recently, there's been a lot of talk about how algorithmic trading can effortlessly generate income. Let me explain what is an algorithmic trading, and the connection between EA, MT4 and the broker. If you're not familiar with what Forex trading is, take a look at one of our videos explaining about Forex trading. In automated Forex trading, it involves the combination of trading platforms, brokers, and the automated trading strategy. Brokers in the trading process. The broker acts as an intermediary. Traders make their Forex trades on the platforms provided by brokers. Different brokers offer various plans and incentives for traders to choose from. Trading platform. MetaTrader. MetaTrader is a free trading software. The platform provides traders with a complete set of information. It offers streaming quotes, real-time flow of funds, options, charts, navigation, as well as other standard windows and toolbars. Today, MetaTrader 4 is one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. MT4 has its own programming language for coding, and there are various automated trading programs available in the market. At Algo Forest, we have developed our own automated trading programs. Even if investors don't understand programming, they can easily trade with MetaTrader. Automated trading programs that are applied to the MT4 platform are also known as expert advisors, or EA for short. A professional EA is like a super robot that has the knowledge of multiple investment experts. With strong analytical and judgment skills, it can autonomously execute trades instantly and accurately with custom settings. Automated trading program operates without emotions. They are not affected by excitement or panic. Automated trading programs assist traders in avoiding poor decisions influenced by emotional swings. Let's elaborate further. The Forex trading platform MT4 is like the smartphone we use. And brokers are similar to various telcos. They offer different plans and incentives for you to choose from. So choosing the right broker could help you save some money. EA are like apps for smartphones. What we need to consider is whether the apps have all the necessary features, and if the operation is simple, convenient, accurate, and so on. Algo Forest's EA has received the prestigious Global Award, which can provide you with the most professional, open-source parameters, with regular updates to the automated trading programs. In addition, our experienced team will help you get started in as little as 2 months. You don't need to know how to code, and you can learn as you go. After watching this video, I believe you now have a basic understanding of the concept of algorithmic trading. If you want to learn how to use algorithmic trading to help you consistently make money, keep an eye out on our other videos.
Remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more updates.